Today I am reviewing the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet Upholstery and Area Rug Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, today we are diving deep into a product that has completely changed the game for anyone dealing with life's inevitable messes. I'm talking about the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet, Upholstery, and Area Rug Cleaner. Specifically the PX202BRN model in that beautiful Nordic blue. If you have pets, kids, or just a car interior that has seen better days, you know how frustrating it is to deal with stubborn stains. Let's talk about what makes this compact powerhouse so special and why it might just be the best investment you make for your home this year. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice about the Shark StainStriker is how incredibly lightweight and compact it is. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, it is an absolute breeze to carry around. You don't have to lug a massive industrial-sized carpet cleaner up the stairs or struggle with it in the driveway. Shark designed this with ultimate portability in mind. It fits comfortably on a stair tread, sits securely on a car seat, and tucks away neatly in a closet when you're done. But don't let that small footprint fool you. This machine packs a serious punch. What truly sets the StainStriker apart from almost every other portable spot cleaner on the market is its dual-activated formula system. Inside the machine, it automatically mixes the Deep Clean Pro formula and the OXY Multiplier formula right at the moment of impact. Shark states that this combination delivers 20 times more stain-striking power compared to using their standard formula alone. And honestly, you can see it work in real time. When you spray a setting coffee stain or a muddy footprint, you can practically watch the formula break down the grime before you even start scrubbing. A great cleaning solution doesn't mean much if the machine can't pull the dirty water back out. That's where the ultra-powerful suction comes in. When you drag the tool across your upholstery or carpet, you can actually see the liquid being lifted through the clear nozzle. It pulls out deeply embedded dirt, leaving the surface only slightly damp rather than soaked. This means your carpets and car seats dry incredibly fast, preventing that musty, leftover damp smell. If you're a pet parent, this machine is going to be your new best friend. It instantly and permanently removes stubborn, lingering odors. Yes, including pet urine and even smoke. It comes with a dedicated pet mess extractor, which keeps the worst of the grime separate, so you aren't contaminating the rest of the machine. For car enthusiasts, the StainStriker is a dream come true. It is perfect for reviving stained floor mats, refreshing fabric seats, and getting into those awkward, tight crevices that usually require a professional detailer. Shark also doesn't skimp on the accessories. When you open up the box, you get a fantastic toolkit to handle just about any scenario. It includes the Shark StainStriker main unit, a mini stain eliminator for quick spot fixes, and a standard 3.5-inch stain eliminator tool. For larger projects, they give you a massive 7-inch XL stain eliminator tool, which is absolutely perfect for couch cushions, mattress cleaning, or larger area rugs. You also get the specialized pet mess extractor, a 16-ounce starter bottle of the Deep Clean Pro formula, and a 32-ounce bottle of the OXY Multiplier formula, so you can start cleaning right away. To wrap it all up, the Shark StainStriker PX202BRN strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and professional-grade cleaning power. It stops stains in their tracks, eliminates embedded odors completely, and makes the chore of cleanup incredibly satisfying. If you want an easy-to-use, powerful tool to keep your whole home and vehicle looking brand new, the StainStriker is worth every single penny. It is a highly recommended addition to any household cleaning routine.